shit right here in front of the car. Don't try to gain speed now, stupid. Trying to be all cool in the very beginning. Look at eat shit.
Should've.
Look, he's already getting speed wobbles, dude. Oh, dude. Don't go too fast, because if he falls, you'll run him over.
I'm not gonna run him over.
Oh, damn, dude. Oh, shit. You can see the speed wobbles. Oh, shit. What the fuck?